Same problem, I will change slight as question. Instead of a resting rectangular face to appear as square, if I change the problem, if opposite, very important, if opposite rectangular face appears as square in the top view, means what will be the change? First case was it was resting on HP, it is inclined to HP so that this face was square. Now in this case I need to change the position, which instead of this side I need to make it is on corner so that I will get this as face. So I'll change whole first stage. So what could be the question? A pentagonal prism, side of base 30 mm, axis 70 mm, resting on HP on its instead of base side, I will change this as resting on corner, and resting on corner and opposite face on it is inclined to HP so that opposite rectangular face appears as a square. So now that's question. Now this is a pentagon resting on corner. So this is corner on the right. Its corresponding opposite face is this. Now it is inclined to HP so that this face is square. So what could be the solution in second stage? First case was resting on side and this face was a square. Now second, resting on corner and opposite face appears as square. It may be applicable for all other shapes also. So see how you are going to draw this. So pentagonal plane resting on corner. So I need to start with the side. Let's say I'll take a corresponding 30 mm side. I will draw a pentagonal shape resting on corner. So this is corner A, B, C, D, E. Right? As if prism, corresponding face edges, find out axis point. Just let's say O. Project axis. So on this axis, I will mark axis height as 70. So this point will be corner A. This will be opposite corner 1. This will be as E comma B. As observer is here, this is nearest point. So I can see this edge as continuous line. 0.25, 25. So this will be 2 comma 5. 3, 4, 3 comma 4. And this base as C comma D. So ABCD as a base, 1 2 3 4 5 as a top face, where axis height was given. So I will mark the axis height as 70, this, and the dimension of this base as 30. So very simple first stage, resting on corner, axis height was given, simple. Now as this said, a rectangular face opposite to the, let's say, resting corner. Corner is A. Its opposite face is this CD 3 4. We are not having face at this point. We have the edge. So rectangular face will be CD 3 4. This opposite rectangular face of resting corner. Resting corner, let's say A. Opposite face is CD. Its face will be CD 3 4. Now CD 3 4 will be a square in the top view. So for this problem, I don't know the position of C and 3 4, CD or 3 4 after inclination, right? So both the point will be above HP. It is not the case like previous problem when resting side was a square. So I have drawn square here, I have projected on XY, but this is not the case. So whenever opposite rectangular face appears as a square for any other shape also, I need to find out first angle by side construction. So what I will do, I will construct this dimension CD 3 4 dimension square. So first construct a square. Let's say this as CD and this point will be 3, 4. So first construct 3D 4 CD and 3 4 as a square. Now take this point anywhere now or even you can take on XY. Let's say this is the reference line. So first construct square, take a projections and take the distance CD 3 4 in compass from this point. Let's say this is point CD. From this onto this line you mark this distance CD 3 4. From this you mark it and join it. This angle we need to find out. Let's say this is theta 1, theta 1, 30, 40, whatever it is. So this is the angle made by this face when it will appear as square. So let us say this angle theta 1 as 40 degree. It may be anything, you just find out by construction. Now if this angle is 40 degree, as it is prism, what should be the angle made by this? Is it same? Because this line and this line is parallel. So if I find out this angle for CD 3 4, I can take same angle for this. Absolutely same for axis as well. But it is very simple for me to take for this edge. Now consider this as A. Take this side, very important on the right, because angle made by CD 3 4 was given, means that we have calculated. Take same value as theta 1, let's say 40 degree, and then copy it. Now you know everything, procedure A to 1, mark here, this point will be 1. Take perpendicular, you will get this point as CD. This point as 3, 4. Take this distance C to E, mark here. This point is 2, 5 and this will be B. So when this opposite face appears as anything as a square or maybe rectangle with dimension, first you find out the angle, and same angle you can take for this edge, because this angle is same this and this because they are parallel. Now you take a projections of all the points and complete the view. So this is point A, this point is E, this point is B, this point is C and D. Similarly, find out ABCD as similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 as faces. So I'll find out this is 1, this is 2, 5 and 3 and 4. This is 4 and this one is 3. So I have located A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the points by just simply taking projection. Join it. First let me clear, let's just join all the points. Then we'll decide which one is hidden. Right? A pentagonal top and bottom face. Now let's say I'm joining first edges. So I'll join edge A to 1, B to 2. Or it's not maybe matching, it's point 2, this 5. Let's say we'll join the edges, it may be not matching with the numbers. This one, D to 4, C to 3. Actually, yeah, I reversed the notation. This should be same. This is 5 and this is 2. So even edges should match. A1, B2, C3, D4, E5. That are the edges. Okay, so now I join everything as a visible line. Now observe is here 3, 4. So line passing through 3 and 4 will be continuous visible line. So 3, 4, this all the lines are thick, whereas line passing through farthest point is A. So line passing through A will be this AE, AB, A1 will be hidden lines. That's it. So I'll just complete this. That's it. This is a complete second stage top view when opposite face appears as square. So whenever opposite face, rectangular face appears as a rectangle with any dimension or maybe square, first you construct the dimension as a square, find out the angle and take that angle for this edge, because as they are parallel, angle made by this theta 1 and this theta 1 is same. Then copy the view and you will get to know the second stage top view. This is for pentagonal prism. I think